Meta AI is back again with an exciting new model drop, the Llama 3.2 model series. This marks Meta AI's first open source multimodal model, and it's available in two variants, 11 billion and 90 billion parameters. Llama 3.2 is actually designed as a drop-in replacement for Llama 3.1, but its performance surpasses expectations. Current benchmarks show that the Llama 3.2 is outperforming both Claude 3 Haiku as well as the GPT-4 Omni Mini across various benchmark tests. Now, the open source community is quickly closing the gap in my opinion, and it's just great to see because we're slowly seeing these new models outpace even closed source models. These models are optimized for speed and accuracy, excelling in tasks like image captioning, visual question answering, and even image text retrieval. In this demo video, you can see that with the Llama 3.2 model analyzing and categorizing data from receipts accurately, which displays them afterwards in a table, and this is something where Llama 3.2 truly shines at. So essentially, they released 4 models. You have the featuring vision LLMs, which are the 11 billion and 90 billion parameter models, and the lightweight text only models, which are the 1 billion and 3 billion optimized models. And they basically are optimized for edge and mobile devices, and they both actually support 128k tokens, which is excelling in tasks like summarization and instruction following. And they're actually optimized for various sorts of processors. Now, the Llama 3.2 vision model surpasses closed source alternatives in image understanding, which we'll take a look at in a bit, and it could be fine-tuned using Torch Tune. And right now it's actually available on Hugging Face demos. You have it on Together AI, and you can actually install this locally, which is something that I'll showcase as we go further into the video. Now, during their evaluations, they were able to easily showcase how the Llama 3.2 vision models are highly competitive with top models like the Claude 3 Haiku model as well as the GPT-4 Omni Mini. And you can see that it excels exceptionally well in categories like image recognition as well as within vision understanding. The 3 billion parameter model is something that actually excels quite well, and it surpasses models like Llama 2, which is a 2.6 billion parameter model, and the Phi 3.5 Mini in tasks like instruction following, summarization, as well as with prompt rewriting. Now, in the lightweight instruction tune benchmark, you're going to be able to see the performance of the 1 billion parameter model, which does really well in comparison to the models that we stated. And these basic models have been tested across 150 different benchmarks, and we can see that the Llama 3.2 model excels in both image understanding and visual reasoning across all of them. The Llama 3.2 vision models, which are the 11 billion and the 90 billion models, introduce image reasoning through a new architecture that they just released, which is something that integrates a pre-trained image encoder with the language model using cross-attention layers. What this will allow is basically to process both images and text inputs while preserving Llama's 3.1 model's text-only capabilities. Now, the training pipeline would basically involve multiple different stages, and this would be where it could start with adding an image adapter, and then it can follow through by utilizing pre-training on large-scale image text data, as well as with fine-tuning with high-quality domain-specific data. And what this will overall do is it will basically enable them to understand and reason on image text combinations as well as just with simple visual representations. Now, the other two models, which are the lightweight models, the 1 billion and the 3 billion models, are actually designed for on-device use cases, which are basically created through pruning as well as which is through a different type of technique called distillation. Now, pruning is something that will reduce the model size by systematically removing parts of the network while retaining performance, and it's applied to the Llama 3.1 8 billion parameter model. Now, the other technique, which is distillation, it involves transferring knowledge from larger models like the 8 billion as well as the 70 billion parameter model, a part of the Llama 3.1 series, to smaller ones. And this is by using their outputs as targets during the pre-training process. And this process will enable the new 1 billion and 3 billion parameter models to maintain strong performance while being more efficient and compact. Now, this is a really cool strategy that Meta has released, and it's something that is really interesting. Now, within this demo video, it's showcasing an unreleased quantized model, which is optimized for reduced size and faster performance while maintaining accuracy with the lightweight models. And you can see the potential that can come out between these two models. The great thing with the Together AI platform is that they have actually released both Llama 3.2 11B as well as the 90B Vision Instruct models. So in this case, what we're going to be doing now is testing it out. So I'm going to be testing out the 90 billion parameter model, and I have inputted a receipt, and I told it to itemize the items in the receipt and put it into a table. Afterwards, give me a rough comparison of the items I bought versus the amount it would be if it was 20% off. And the reason why I added this second part is because I want to see how well it's going to be able to compare as well as analyze the items. So in this case, the receipt that I use is from Google, and this is where it has strawberries, large eggs, ground beef, chocolate, red apples, and black beans. The total comes out to be $38.53. So let's go back into Together AI and let's see if it was correct. $38.53, the total discount, which is $7.71, and it is able to analyze all 6 of the different items. And I also told it to give what it would be in terms of its comparison if it was 20% less, and you can see that how much it would be with the discount price. So this was just a simple little oddball like thing I wanted to put in to see how well the vision model is in terms of also general textual prompts. You can also try this out within Hugging Face spaces, so if you're interested, take a look at this. But now what we're going to be doing is showcasing how you can install the new Llama 3.2 model locally. Now, as I said, there's 4 models. You have the 2 lightweight as well as the 2 vision models. So what you can do is you can simply install this within Llama or LM Studio. For the people who do not know what LM Studio is, it's a platform that will easily enable anyone to run local models or any open source model locally. So what you can do is open LM Studio up. If you do not have this, I'll leave a link in the description below, which will showcase how you can install LM Studio locally onto your computer. Now, once you have opened up LM Studio, go over to the search panel and search up Llama 3.2. You can either paste in the model card of whatever model you want to install and just simply click on go. This will basically show all the results of the Llama 3.2 model. It might take a couple seconds. Sorry, I had to reload my LM Studio, but now it shows all the results for the new model. So you can see the 3 billion instruct, and there's already a quantized model that you can install. And basically you want to find the model that you want to install, whether it's the 90 billion or the 3 billion, select the one that you want, and you're going to be able to find different quant sizes for it. You can install it by clicking on the download button, and afterwards, once it has finished installing, you can then head over to the conversation tab, select the model that you just installed, select that model, and you're going to be able to start chatting with it over here. Now the layout looks a little goofy right now because I have it crunched up, but you're going to be able to start chatting with it, and you're going to be able to locally interact with this model. But that's roughly it for the new Llama 3.2 model. There is a lot more to this within their blog post, so I definitely recommend that you read through this. I plan on making another video which will test these models out further, so definitely stay tuned on this. But that's basically it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and you got some sort of value out of it. Definitely want to give a huge props to Meta AI's research team for developing this new model. I definitely love how the open source gap is closing in comparison to the closed source models, and I definitely see this becoming a great step forward for our open source community. But with that thought, guys, I'll leave all the links that I use in today's video in the description below. Make sure you follow me on the Patreon so that you can access different AI subscriptions completely for free. Make sure you follow me on Twitter, a great way for you to stay up to date with the latest AI news. And lastly, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and check out our previous videos so you can stay up to date with the latest AI news. But with that thought, guys, have an amazing day, spread positivity, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.